Alright guys, now we're gonna do this all together. You have those steps written in your notes. So, what is our first step?
Read the list of prefixes and suffixes.
Yes, our first step is to read the list of prefixes and suffixes. Good job. Let's do that together. Ready? Let's read the prefixes first and then the suffixes. Ready?
Pre, un, li, er.
Good reading, you guys. What is our second step?
Read the passage.
Exactly. Our second step is to read the passage. So let's read. I have it written up here. Let's read the passage together. Ready?
The earlier ones were lost on him.
Good reading, everybody. That was exactly right. What is the next step?
Identify a word with a prefix or suffix.
That's exactly right. We identify a word with a prefix or suffix. So we're going to look on here and see if we can find a word with a prefix or suffix. So does the have one of our prefixes or suffixes?
No.
Does earlier have one of our prefixes or suffixes?
Yes.
Yes, earlier has one of our prefixes or suffixes. Which prefix or suffix does it have? Good job. Earlier has the suffix er. Alright, what is our next step?
Write the word.
That's exactly right. We write the word. So we're going to write the word earlier. Alright, what is our next step?
Write a definition for the word in your own words.
That's exactly right. Now we write a definition for the word earlier. Everybody think about a definition for the word early and the suffix er. Everybody take a minute to think about it. Now we put them together. Everybody turn to your neighbor and talk about your definition that you came up with.
Okay. So, early to me meant really soon, morning sometimes. And means to be more than something. So like extra. Before something. Right. That's what I kind of thought.
Alright, so good discussions, everybody. You all did awesome. One of the common definitions that I heard on the board was, one of the common definitions that I heard around the room was even, more, soon, or early. Everybody, what is the definition that we came up with for earlier?
Even more soon, early.
That is exactly right. Good job. That is a definition for earlier. What is our next step?
Write a sentence with that word in your own words.
That's correct. That's our final step. So everybody, again, turn to a neighbor and think about, first everybody think about a sentence that you could do with the word earlier in it. Think about it with this definition. And now turn to a neighbor and talk about your sentence.
Hello, neighbor. One of the sentences I thought of was that the rooster crowed earlier than usual.
Oh, good. That's good. I thought of I get up earlier than everyone else in my family.
Good discussions, everybody. I liked your sentences. One sentence I heard Kirsten say was, I get up earlier than the rest of my family. And it works because this would work if I said I get up more early than the rest of my family. It means the same thing. So everybody, what is our sentence for earlier?
I get up earlier than the rest of my family.
Good job, everyone. and that was perfect.